Good morning, dear children. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very important part of grammar. I'm going to talk about modals. Now, modals, let us see the definition of modals. Modals are the helping verbs which are used to denote the mode of an action. They talk about the mood of the speaker. So they are different from the primary auxiliaries in the sense that they talk about the internal action, whereas the primary auxiliaries talk about the external actions. Modals denote actions like possibility, probability, ability, permission, necessity, and obligation. So in this particular video, they are actually 13 in number: can, could, may, might, will, should, shall, would, ought to, used to, need not, and dare not. Out of these 13, two are semi-modals. They are used differently. They work. They are used as main verbs also, and they can also be used as modals, right? Need not and dare not. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the usages of two very important modals: can and could. Right. So let's do that. Right. Modal verbs, how to use. Can. It is used to denote actions like ability, possibility, impossibility, asking for permission. Let's see the examples. They can control their own work. That's the ability. We can't fix it. Possibility. Can I bring here? Asking for permission. Can you help me? Asking for permission. So you see, they may look easy, but and they are not that difficult to use. But the amazing thing about these modals is that one modals can be used in so many situations. See the example of can here. One modal expressing so many actions. Right, now the second one, could. Use permission, request, possibility, and future ability. See the examples. Could I borrow your dictionary? Could you say it again more slowly? I think we could have another tea. I wish Central could meet me next week. He gave up his old job so he could work for us. So again, this is the way you can use could, which is also used. In so many ways, could can be used. It is the past of narration. You have seen that it is used as the past of can. It is also used to talk about present, but when you ask for, when you are requesting someone something. So we are done with this video. See you in the next video with more modals.